What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is JJLoveHeart, and today we are continuing on to episode 2 of Dreamlight Valley. For those who didn't see the stream, I do stream all the busy work on this as well as I will be doing for my Minecraft episodes. So in those episodes, I went ahead and I actually cleared a lot of the thorns, almost all of them, as well as some rocks. So with that in mind, I went ahead and just kind of did all that. But I also went into this house, which is Mickey's house. So I did meet Mickey. He went ahead and helped me with getting some. Um, he helped me with getting some recipes, as well as helping me with just getting some stuff done around the village. So with that in mind, since he helped me with that, and I also got Scrooge's shop up. He sells like clothing and equipment. But with all that being done, I was able to accomplish all the things we need for Merlin's mission. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do his mission real quick. And let's keep on going.
Well, hello.
Splendid! The Dreamlight is pooling in the depths of the well. You now have enough Dreamlight to repel the night thorns on the castle doors. We mustn't waste any time. Hurry, hurry!
I couldn't have done better myself.
Alright, so yeah, all the side missions and stuff like that, all the things that aren't to do with the main story, I will more likely do on stream. So please check the link in my description to my Twitch channel, and I highly suggest watching my Twitch streams. I try to stream before I upload another episode, so that way it kind of stays fluid. But try your hardest to see those if you want to see all the side quest stuff. But yeah, let's open up this.
Hello.
Focus your magic on the night thorns. All right, let's remove them.
Pretty good, eh?
Bravo, bravo! Now we can finally enter the dream castle.
Thank you. Very
Woo woo. Pretty, pretty. All right, let's go into the castle. Ooh.
hello.
I remember now. It's not what's inside the dream castle, it's who. When our ruler left and the forgetting took over the valley, some of us stayed, while others decided to return to their realms. Each door before you leads to a different realm, a dream of their own world. The castle's full of doorways to other realms. I want to explore new worlds. I'm excited to meet new friends. Is this dangerous?
Ah,
I'm afraid I can't say, but I know you're up to whatever challenge might lie beyond these doors, and you'll meet countless friends who can assist you. Though I'm afraid they won't remember Dreamlight Valley, so it's up to you to find a way to bring them home. I see you have just enough Dreamlight left to unlock the first door. You must choose the first realm you want to step into. I want to visit a discipline with the shy robot, a restaurant with a great little chef, the ocean with a demigod. Let's go meet. I'm not really all that. I'm like, I would love to meet Moana and them, but I'm here between Remy and Wally. Let's do Remy.
how marvelous.
And the chef you'll find works true magic with food. Chefs and wizards have a lot in common, you know. Once you step through that door, you'll arrive in another realm. Help those inside as best as you can. Tell them about Dreamlight Valley and ask for their help. We'll need all our friends here to prepare for what's ahead. Alrighty. So with that finished, let's go ahead. Let's track the Ratatouille realm. Ooh. Ooh.
Bonjour.
Oh, hello, human I don't know. I'm Remy, and you look like you're listening to me. Wait, you understand me? Of course, I can understand everyone here. I'm JJ, but you don't usually see rats in the kitchen. I'm a huge fan, but I've never spoken to a rat before. Hey, we're just like humans. Well, not all of us, and not all humans. Let's just say I'm kind of a unique rat. Sorry to cut this chit chat short, but I gotta get moving. The dining room's filling up, and most of my staff's out sick. Plus, there's a food critic visiting tonight, and I've gotta make a good impression. If he gives our food a bad review, it'll be a disaster. Ugh, critics are worse. He's just doing his job. Can I help? Can I help? Can you help? Of course! Have you ever worked in a kitchen before? I'm a master chef. I'm an okay chef. Can't even make burnt toast. I'm an okay chef. I made some pretty good recipes with Mickey earlier, so.
Yeah.
Well, luckily I don't need you to do anything too fancy. Yet. Right now, I just need you to wash the dishes. Ever heard of a dishwasher? Dirty dishes ill. Sure, I'll wash them. Thank you! And please hurry. I need them as quickly.
We work well as a team.
Alright, so where are the dishes? I'm gonna open this while we're over here. Use the watering can. Oh, the watering can. Okay. I don't know if this is the most sanitary way to do this, but hey, if it works, it works. Alright, let's go back.
Hey, it's you.
Clean dishes! Fantastic, thank you. Hey, as long as you're here, how do you feel about cooking? Cooking is an art. I've never really thought about it. I don't much like cooking, but I love to eat. Cooking is an art. I agree. The way the flavors sing when they go together, it's like music. And when you craft a whole meal, it's like composing a symphony. But just like art, it takes practice. Alright, let's get started.
Woo!
Great! We're preparing a couple of dishes, one with fish and one with fruit. You'll find the ingredients we need around the kitchen.
Thanks.
Okay. Find a fish in Remy's kitchen and use it to prepare a meal. Okay. Where is it? Where is the fish? Oh, okay, so I could... Oh, did not mean to do that twice. Okay. So there's the fish then. Okay, I can use it for any meal. Okay. Let's get some more things. I feel like we have a good variety of materials. So let's throw some cucumber, some bell pepper. Oh. My inventory's full. What can I get rid of? Alright, well, we'll just use what I have. Alright, let's see what that does. Alright, well.
Hello.
Now that's perfect presentation. You really understand complementary flavors. Thanks. Duh, I'm an artist in the kitchen. I just threw some stuff together. I really did just throw some stuff together. Don't sell yourself short. You've got talent. You just need practice. Let's see if you can do it again. This time with fruit.
Hope to see you soon.
Okay, wait, can I like... My inventory is like so sad. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna cut back to this, but right now I'm gonna go run over to my house and store some stuff and sell some stuff to Goofy, so I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, I am back. I cleared up some of my inventory, so I'm not so stacked with a bunch of stuff. So let's go ahead, let's get into it. Let's get some fruit. We'll do 2 apples. And then let's do some bananas. And then let's do some basil. And then let's do a little bit of milk and some eggs. I think we can make like a nice like cake or like pie with what we have. Anything over there? No, let's see what we can make. So let's add an apple, some milk, some eggs, a banana, and some basil. Hard-boiled eggs. Okay. It's not exactly what I was going for, but let's just do some apples and some bananas. How about that? Alright, a fruit salad. I know how to make a fruit salad, but just trying to go for more, but I guess not. Alright, well,
Hey, it's you.
I'm impressed. You definitely got talent. Clearly, you know your way around the kitchen. Evidence, you're 2 dishes.
Oh.
But we need to hurry. The food critic is getting impatient out there. Are you ready to make something a little bit more complicated? Here to help you. I'm always looking forward to new experiences. Anything for you to come to my village. Your village? So you're a recruiter. Well, let's get through tonight first. Next order is the 3-course meal. It'll be tonight's prefix. And hey, you can even design it. First choose an appetizer, hearty salad, or bell pepper puffs. Let's go with some puffs. Okay. Then you'll need a bell pepper, some cheese, and an egg.
Hope
All right.
to see you soon.
So, bell pepper, cheese, and egg. Perfect. Bell pepper, cheese, and egg. Perfect. All right, so appetizer done. He was quick.
Bonjour.
Look at this appetizer you created. Look at this experience you've created. See, each flavor is unique, but the way you combine them creates something new. And it's not always about innovation. Sometimes you evoke the past. Food can bring out memories. Yeah, like my family recipes. I've never noticed. School cafeteria, yuck. Yeah, like my family recipes. Exactly! Now we want to make a dish that reminds people of something comforting. For our main course, we have a pizza margarita or a vegetable casserole. Alright, so we just did a vegetable-based appetizer. I think we should go simple and go with a pizza margarita. Excellent choice! Find the base recipe for a pizza. It's here somewhere. Then use the spices to adjust the flavors so it's a pizza margarita.
We work well as a team.
Alright, so I need to find Remy's cookbook recipe. There it is. Okay. So Sweet tomato cheese. All right, so let's do wheat. Let's do cheese. And let's add a little bit of bell pepper to it. Add a little kick. You know, stay on the bell pepper road. Alrighty. So let's throw all these in. Oh. Well, I made something new. Did I mess up the recipe though? Wheat, tomato, cheese. I guess it does say herbs. So that's on me. I got a little too adventurous out there. Alright, so we'll add wheat. We'll add a little bit of oregano. And a little bit of basil. Okay, let's do that. Oh, wait, can't cook fully. I need cheese. Thought I grabbed cheese, but I guess not. Alright, add a cheese. Alrighty. Alright, that's everything. Alright, cool. I made it perfectly. I'll give them both these.
Hello.
That dish was perfect, but you're not done. The last course is a dessert. Desserts are very important. They're the final taste your customer leaves with. If we don't offer fabulous desserts, that food critic is gonna roast us. Okay, do you want to bake a banana pie or an apple pie? I will go with... See, we had pasta, we had peppers. Let's do a banana. I feel like it would offset everything. Wonderful choice! Now for this one, I'll let you work it out on your own. You'll need 3 ingredients, and remember, the key to a good pie is butter.
Hope to see you
Alright,
soon.
so I'm gonna guess wheat, butter, and more likely banana. I think that should be everything. Maybe some milk and eggs. Okay, let's throw all this in. All right, let's cook it up. Oh. Okay, I guess I made waffles. Okay, so is it just the 3 then? Is it just wheat, butter, and banana? I know he said 3 ingredients, but I figured, you know, maybe it might be more because we have those ingredients available to us. Honestly, I think the jam waffles would be better as a dessert, but... Alright, well, let's do these 3. A banana pie. Let's go. It looks like the one from Bray. That's cute. All right, cool. So I got that for him. Let's go ahead and give that to him.
Hey, it's you.
The dinner rush has started. Order up. Someone wants a ranch salad. I'll leave this order to you, but Here's a quick hint. Our ranch salad is made with lettuce, tomatoes, corn, bell peppers, and onions. When it's ready, put it on the serving hatch next to the door so it's delivered to the customer.
Au revoir.
Wait, I forgot the recipe already. It's made with tomatoes. I remember that. Onions. Obviously lettuce. Peppers, I believe. I think corn was in there. Okay. I think this is it. Let's try it out. I got it. Okay, I was like, I think I did that right. I don't know where the cucumber came from, but it's there. All right, let's go serve this. All right, cool. Next order, chef.
Bonjour.
The critic is ready for his main course, and of course, he ordered my specialty, the ratatouille.
Uh-huh.
I'm in the middle of 3 other orders. Can you help? Prepare the perfect ratatouille.
Oh.
I've watched you cook. You could do this.
Oh.
It's vegetables and spices and memories. Go! Oh, and if you're having too much trouble, just come ask me for a hint. Let's try. You know what? I think I could do this. I think it's eggplant, zucchini, tomato, basil, maybe a little oregano, cucumber, and bell pepper. I'm gonna throw. I grabbed a couple of things just so that way I can see what I can kind of throw in there. Okay, so definitely eggplant. I think I'm gonna do cucumber, tomato, oregano, and basil. I think that's it. Well, nope, that's a grilled veg platter. Okay, well, we tried. Okay, let me. I guess we'll ask him for a hit.
Hello.
Hello. The critic is waiting for his ratatouille. Ratatouille made with tomato, 3 other specific vegetables, and a spice. I'll figure it out on my own by experimenting. I've watched you cook. You could do this. It is ready. Just put serving hatch one next to the door. Okay, so it's tomato for sure. Well, here, what do I have in my inventory? I have a bell pepper, zucchini. Okay, so definitely tomato. I was right there. Oh, and eggplant. I know that for sure. Maybe it's zucchini. Let's go with some more oregano. Okay, let me see. We'll go back to the drawing board. So definitely tomato. Definitely eggplant. Maybe zucchini. And oregano. Let's just cook that. Let's see how it goes. Nope. Okay. Did he say 3 others? So wait, is bell pepper in there? Okay, hold up. Let's grab a zucchini. Let's grab another one just to be safe. Let's grab basil. Alright, so we'll grab 2 tomatoes, 2 eggplants, 2 zucchinis. Okay, so tomato, eggplant. Let's throw a zucchini. Let's throw a bell pepper and a basil. Well, looks like where you're going to ask because I do not know.
Hey, it's you.
Alright. The critic is waiting for his ratatouille. Ratatouille is made with tomato, 3 other specific vegetables, and a spice. I need help. What's the exact recipe? You'll need a tomato, an eggplant, a zucchini, and an onion, and a spice. Oh, for the spice, might I recommend basil? I've watched you cook. You could do this. When it's ready, put it on the serving dish next to it. Okay, so zucchini, tomato, eggplant, and onion. I didn't even think about onion. Okay. Onion and basil. Okay. Let's get it cooking. So eggplant, tomato, onion, zucchini, and basil. There it is. Ratatouille. Okay. Let's go serve it up. All right. What next, chef? The food critics gave us 5 stars on the Ratatouille. What a relief. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, you are a very talented chef. Any chance you want to come work for me? Actually, I have a restaurant for you in my village. We could cook together again. I'd like that. We make a good team. Violetta and Linguini can manage without me for a while. You know what? I'll do it. I'll go to your village and I'll help you with your restaurant. Wait, does the job offer a cup of housing? I can't sleep in the kitchen. Would it be hygienic? I'll definitely need a house before I could go.
We work well as a team.
Okay, let's go. First, I have to access the furniture to place a house. You can find it in the furniture section. Okay. Remy's house. I think it should be. Kind of want you right here. Okay, so let me see. Do about this. Okay, let me go over. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay. Should be fine. Okay. Perfect. Okay. All right, Scrooge.
Hello.
Remy, maybe. Remy may be a wee chef, but he's got refined tastes and grand expectations. If you want a house that's up to his standards, you'll have to pay handsomely for it. Let's do it. With such a fine chef around, the valley's economy can really get cooking. Alright. Whoa. Can I live there? Why does he get a nicer house than I do? Welcome, Remy. Not down and let's roll. You need more from me. Alright. And that's good. Let's capture this moment. Alrighty. Alrighty.
Bonjour.
Wow, this place is beautiful and familiar. I almost feel like I've been here before. Weird. Well, no time to talk about that now. I'll have the restaurant open.
Great job.
Alrighty, guys. I think that is where I'm gonna call it. I think we did good. We got into the castle. It looks like next is gonna be Remy's mission of go ahead and getting his restaurant up and going. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Again, if you want to see a bunch of the side work stuff, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit more of a cleaning up, like, you know, just getting stuff like done around the village and like really redecorating my home too. So if you really want to see a lot of that stuff, be sure to check out the channel on my Twitch stream, and I will be doing a lot of that over there. Again, link is in the description below. But if you guys did like the video, please slap that like button and subscribe if you're not already. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!